I want to ask you about an upcoming Supreme Court case that they've accepted where John Roberts will be at the center of things. King versus Burwell, the second big test for the Affordable Care Act. How endangered do you think the Affordable Care Act is, and how do you think Justice Roberts will approach this?
When the Chief Justice said that holding a gun to a state's head and saying your money or your life is a coercive proposition, whether you've got $1 in your pocket or $500 in your pocket, he was almost writing the script for an opinion that would say that we should interpret this to avoid pressuring the states by making them hold their citizens hostage.
So you've given him some ways to vote with the majority of Breyer, et cetera, but you wouldn't be surprised, would you, if he voted the other way?
I wouldn't be surprised either way. I think that's what makes it a hard question for him.
And that is cataclysmic of impact on the law, right?
I think it would be quite cataclysmic. I mean, it's not necessarily the meltdown of all of the Affordable Care Act, but it's close. And certainly 4 of the justices, I believe, would like to see him do that. They felt betrayed when he found a way to uphold the individual purchase mandate based on the taxing power. Some people believe that he would like to get back in their good graces. I think that his calculus is a lot more subtle than that. He cares about the long run. He cares about history. He cares about the meaning of the law. That's why I think that when he originally voted, as I predicted he would, both before and after the oral argument, to uphold the Affordable Care Act based on the taxing power, I don't think he was just trying to avoid doing something cataclysmic at that point. I think he was doing something that he thought was principled and that also would protect the institution. And so I think he is going to be pulled in 2 very different directions here, and I'm not a betting man. I'm not about to bet how he would go.